Now I want to assign this list as a font size. I close it. It is better to have a label to know about that. Let's say here font size. Okay, maybe in front here it is better, not overlaid. Alright. And the object name is ComboBox1. So under run, we could write here or here, doesn't matter. I could say selection dot font size equal to which value? Of course, the ComboBox1 dot value. Let's run the program first. Allow me to clear. Alright, that is fine. Macro, run macro, test. Let's set 4, 32, 64, maybe 16, 16 bold, and 16 not bold. You see? Now actually slowly we're creating our own user interface for Microsoft Word. So it is very simple. I just add the combo box on the form initialize. Note that I added add item with 2, 4, 6, etc. and use the selection.font.size as the value of my combo box. Also, we could give the default value here. If I go to the form and choose the combo box, we have the properties named text, which it is the default value. I could set, let's say 8 to be default value. Alright, run again, run macro, test. By default it is 8. Let's set 16, bold, and again maybe 8.